Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change your avatar on Facebook. So if you also want to change your avatar on Facebook, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Facebook application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In order to change your avatar, what you have to do is go to your profile. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here, right below the home icon. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile picture, cover photo. Also, you'll be able to see your name. Right below it, you'll be able to find the option for add to story, edit profile and three dots. Simply tap on the option edit profile that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the edit profile interface. From here, you'll be able to edit the profile picture, avatar, cover photo, etc. In the avatar section, you'll be able to find three dots right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to change your avatar. You'll be able to change the style, hair, makeup, face, body, etc. If you want to change the avatar completely, you can also delete the avatar. Simply tap on the three dots that you can see right over here. Now you can see two options over here, avatar settings and delete avatar. Simply tap on the option delete avatar and create a new avatar for yourself. If you only want to change certain features of the avatar, you can change it from here without deleting the avatar. For example, if you want to change the hair, simply tap on the option hair that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to find the hairstyle options over here. Scroll down for more options. Now simply tap on the hairstyle that you want to use. You can also change the hair color. You can see several colors over here. Simply tap on the color that you like the best. Now like this, the hairstyle of your avatar has been changed. Likewise, you can change other features of avatar as well. After changing it, simply tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After that, the avatar will be changed. So that is how you change your avatar on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.